Gagala na naman ang pamilyang ito. Ang mga ganun. You are my driver forever. I'm not gonna drive. You will be my forever driver and I will be your forever passenger queen. Is that okay?
No.
Yes.
And to drive.
Or Angel, we're gonna drive for me. Oh no, that's not good. You and Angel is my forever driver. Look at the jacaranda, it's blooming now. There, Pangborn Street. Jacaranda, many jacaranda trees. Yay! Oh! Good job, Jessie. Uh-oh! Crash, Jessie.
No, you're back now.
Oh, where is Jessie? Jessie's inside.
You remembers?
Yes. Good job, Jessie. Happy now? He's so happy. Hey, swing with Jessie. Mura mag-correct Jessie ay naglo-lollipop. Naka number 4. Nag-ready na for dinner ang aking chef, Gary. What are you cooking, my love?
Snags, love.
Snacks. It's not snacks, that's dinner.
Snags are sausages
Oh.
in Australian language.
Oh, really? I don't know that.
Snags.
Snags, okay.
Sausages. Snags.
My chef, Gary. It's a beef steak and sausages. Do you want beer, my love?
Yes, please.
Oh, yeah. I want wine. Can I have wine? Mahal, can I open your wine? Why ask Angel? No way. I'll open it. Alin kaya dito ang masarap inumin? Parang gusto kong mag-wine. Alin dito ang masarap, Jen? Oh. Ito ang aking napiling inumin. Mag-wine ako. Masarap kaya ito. Red wine. Cheat day ako today. Look, I'm having red wine. Cheers. Cheers to our 6 years. Wow. So yummy. Kainan na ang aming food for tonight. Perfect sa aking wine. Perfect ang dinner kasama ang pamilya.